Today I'm going to teach you how to do a pan effect on a still image with dynamic zoom in DaVinci Resolve. This technique is perfect for adding movement and visual interest to static photos, making them feel more dynamic and professional in your video projects. First, open your DaVinci Resolve application. Once the program loads, you'll see several tabs along the bottom of the interface. Look for the one labeled Edit and click on it. This takes you into the editing workspace where you'll have access to all the tools you need to apply effects and transformations to your clips. Now direct your attention to the left side of your preview window. You'll notice a rectangle icon with a small arrow pointing down right beside it. This is your Transformation Tools menu, and it contains several useful options for manipulating your clips. Click on that arrow down to reveal a drop-down menu with various effects. From the options that appear, select Dynamic Zoom. This tool is specifically designed for creating smooth zoom and pan movements on still images or video clips. It's an incredibly powerful feature that can transform a static photo into an engaging visual element. Once you activate Dynamic Zoom, you'll immediately see two rectangles appear on your image in the preview window, one green and one red. The green rectangle represents where your image starts, while the red rectangle shows where it ends. This visual system makes it easy to plan and execute your pan effect precisely. To create the pan effect, simply click and drag the green rectangle to the right or left, depending on where you want the dynamic zoom to begin. You can also resize these rectangles to control the zoom intensity. The movement will automatically interpolate between the green starting position and the red ending position, creating a smooth, professional-looking pan across your image. Now go ahead and play your video to preview the effect. You'll see the image smoothly pan and zoom according to the positions you've set with those rectangles. If you're not satisfied with the result, you can always go back and adjust the rectangles until you achieve the exact look you're going for. And that's it. You've successfully created a dynamic pan effect on your still image using DaVinci Resolve's dynamic zoom feature. This simple technique can dramatically enhance the visual appeal of your projects. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.